I want to welcome you to this channel and thank you for stopping by. Today's video will be reviewing Successbox. In fact, this is one of my favorite websites when it comes to get paid too. In fact, it is the biggest so far that I have discovered, and there are a lot more opportunities for each and everyone. So you create a free account, you watch advertisements, or you perform tax surveys, then you withdraw your cash. You see, so it is one of the biggest because you see there are over 285,000 members, and as of now, it has over 1,000 members who are actively, online, and daily visits. You see, the website has over 189 million visits. I mean, you can imagine that is not a small figure, 189 million visits. And out of these 285,000 members, they have paid over $26 million to its members. So guys, that is the website we are going to review today. And your earnings are actually limitless. You can view ads, there are surveys, you can participate in a contest, there are tasks that you can perform, you can listen to music and get paid, and then there are also offers that you can redeem. So this is the website, guys. I mean, you don't need I cannot stress too much on this point that it's a very big website. It's both for advertisers and also for people who want to earn some cash online. So let's look at earning, what you can do to earn. Now, just like I told you earlier, so we have click to pay, paid to sign up. Yes, so these are actually the listings. So there are a lot of them: paid to sign up, trial, you see, survey system. This is actually traffic exchange, where you watch and you put your link, then you watch some advertisements, somebody to watch yours. You see, this is equally traffic exchange, that you can upgrade your account to earn more. You can refer people, your friends and family, and earn more. You earn a percentage of their earnings for the rest of the time or for life. Let me put it that way. Then there is contest, super rewards. Super rewards is also a CPA and survey network. I think I made a video about super rewards. Yeah, I'm sure. So these are actually some of the things that you can do. So let's start with this. Just give some few trials to some of them. So PTC ads, we just choose some random ads and click and see how it works. So you see, it's just about let me see how many minutes. I think about 5 to 10 seconds. So this is Power Lead System. Yeah, this is a great program actually. I think if you check among my videos in this channel, you will see an advertisement, a video I made about this. So we have to prove that the click was actually human, so we need to click on this. So this is what the euro sign, so we have to select it, and it means that now our account has been credited. So we go back, let's select another more. So you see, it is just that easy. You can be doing other things online whilst you are earning this. This is also Power Lead System. Is virtually the same like what we watched earlier. I think it's possible that it's the same person who is doing this advertisement. So that is it, guys. So let's look at the other forms of advertisements. So we have page to sign up. Let's click on it. So currently there are these two. ClickSense is in fact it's one of the biggest PTC sites that you can find. So signing up, I will earn 1 cent. If I sign up to this one, to Goal Tycoon, I think it should have something to do with soccer, a game or something. So I will earn a cent, for signing up. So I mean, just very simple. So let's look at this extra PTC and see what it is also about. So here too is equally get paid to do something, of that. So kind of like gambling or something. Yeah. So Wheel of Wealth. Yeah. So these are actually the things you have to do. Some games, sort of. Yeah. So let's look at advertisement. You can actually, so the people who are actually showing these ads, this is how much they are paying. See, some are paying as much as $19, $25, etc., $30, $100 for you to see the advertisements and actually make money from them. So someone is actually paying for it. So I think the last time I bought ads here, I paid $15 for it. So let's look at contest here. What is there? I think for now there is nothing on contest. So let's go back to N. So guys, in brief, that is the review. It's a very legitimate website, and you can